first day of school calls for silver dollar pancakes. It's a back-to-school breakfast spread that you can elevate with artisan syrups and elegant toppings. The setup is beautiful and can become a back-to-school ritual. It has become a back-to-school ritual, I should say. For my next guest, recipe creator Amy Richardson is sharing a silver dollar spread to celebrate a new school year. This is a generational tradition, I understand.
It is. Actually, I realized I have never made regular-sized pancakes in my life.
Really?
No, I've had them, out.
Sure.
But I've never made them. My grandma made them for my mom, and my mom made them for us, and then I made them for my girls.
They're mini.
Yeah, they're tiny, and they're so yummy because you can have whatever you want on each one.
Yes, and
it's so yummy.
Food is memory, and so I love that this was passed down through the generations, and this is all you know.
Yeah, it's all I know. In fact, but I didn't do anything fancy. I actually did for my girls, I just did Jiffy pancake mix.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, but I've made a recipe that's as easy as that.
Okay, what do we got going on?
Okay, what it is it's got just the trick ingredients. It's flour, sugar, coarse salt, baking soda, but the key is the buttermilk. So you buy this just in the milk aisle where you'd have like, canned milk. It's just in there. You add it in, and then you can just add water. You add water.
Is this powder?
Yeah, it's powder. It just looks exactly like this, and you just dump it in, and you whisk it in, and you can keep it in your pantry.
I've never noticed or seen this.
Right?
I'll be looking now.
Right, and it's good. I mean, you wouldn't want to drink it. It would be horrible, I think.
Yeah.
But that's it. And I love to use powdered vanilla, but it's really expensive. So just add vanilla when you add your water.
Okay.
If you want to. But you can put it in a squirt bottle. You can shake it.
Look, you've been working the grill this morning.
I never did it. I only ever did it with this spoon.
Oh, okay.
So, but the toppings, that's what I have to say. Wait, I have to go back.
What?
If you want to add in, you can add in. I just did fun things like sprinkles.
Yes.
You can do chocolate chips. The cinnamon chips are my favorite. Pecans.
Yum.
If you want to do fruit, but they're so tiny, you almost can't. You can always put it on top.
That raspberry is too darn big.
It's too big. But what I love about these is that you can just have this set out. This could be a thing that you set out until you're sick of doing it. But you just have it every morning if you want until the kids are kind of into school.
It can be your hurrah that stretches the week.
Right, right.
Can I make some?
Oh, yes, make some.
Us?
So what I have here are these incredible, what kind of elevates this and makes it fun are these incredible syrups by Crown Syrup. They're out of New York, and what I love about them is that each one is unique and different, almost like if you were doing wine or perfume or something. They've all got their different notes. They've got yummy things on them.
What are your favorite flavors?
Well, I love the vanilla infused. I think is fabulous. That one is probably my favorite, and that one I go to all the time. But when you go on their website and you're looking it up, it'll tell you which each of the things have, and it's so yummy, like the dark notes and how you can use it besides, which is pancakes. You can use it as dressings, marinades, drinks, everything.
Yum.
Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. They also have, which I'm like, this is hilarious. It's pancake mix with maple crystals in it. I'm like, is that like is that like the elevated McGriddle? I don't know.
It must be.
But I saw that and I'm like, I've got to try that.
Okay,
so.
Look at this darling little stack. In fact, I'm feeling embarrassed because I think I went bigger than a silver dollar.
Well, you did.
I've shamed the Richardson family by my pouring
I used to
today.
kind of make them this big. The one thing that my mom used to do when she was growing up is she would have, my grandma would make them, and then you could have like cinnamon and sugar on one, strawberry syrup on another, jam on another, and that kind of thing. But I also think it's kind of fun if you want to do an on-the-go. And I just had these, but they're like a little charcuterie cup. And you could just put it in like a little cup or a little, paper cup, whatever, and just have a little to-go fork and just pile the pancakes in there, pour some syrup on, and they're on their way.
To go, because some mornings you need that.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Amy, this is amazing. I love that you've shared your tradition with us of the mini pancake. Fun to make, quick to make.
Yeah, quick to make. And this griddle is so gorgeous. Isn't this beautiful?
It's beautiful.
It's the new Drew Barrymore line.
Oh.
And I just fell in love with it because it's so pretty with the white and the gold.
Is that
and it
Walmart?
Cooks amazing. And it's only $49.
Wow.
It's a really, really fun new gadget for pancake making. And look at your pancakes.
Look at my silver dollar pancakes.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Some of those a little big. They're shameful, actually.
I don't know.
I love the idea, too, of doing this spread and then letting it last for the week.
I think so. I think it's just kind of a fun thing, and to get your kids kicked off for school, or grandmas could do it on a Saturday morning. Just whatever you might want to do.
A fun part, like bar too.
That makes it sound like I made pancakes every day. I did it. I did it.
There were some Cheerios thrown in there.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Where can we get more inspiration from you, sister?
Follow me on Amy Parker Richardson, Instagram, all social media.
Thank you. This is so fun. Silver dollar pancakes. You'll think of Amy every time you make them, and we will link you over to her website. Studio5.ksl.com is where you want to go. Click on the recipe page and we will hook you up with all of the recipes you need to hopefully help that back to school week go a little bit smoothly. Studio5.ksl.com.